Yeah, I did it. This shit ain't no scrimmage. Get me started, I'll finish. I did it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm at Silverstone, as you can see. I'm here with Gold Track Days. A few friends, thanks for them for inviting me, for Mandy for inviting me today, who's got a crazy car collection, which we'll see in a little bit. So I'm just driving in, don't worry, I'm on private roads now, so it's not about me using a camera while I'm driving. Of course, I'm in the GT3RS. I think that the Performante would have been a bit too loud for this track because they have a decibel limit and stuff, so I think it might have just been over. I can see some cars already going around, a mixture of different things. But I'm just gonna go park up, go and say hello to everybody, have a quick little bite to eat because I haven't eaten anything. It's still early in the morning. And then I will show you around the cars and then get all the GoPros set up and hopefully have a good, fun track day. One of my first proper actual track days. So I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, let's touch base in a bit. Okay, in the garage now, 3RS is here, and like I said, Mandy, who's invited me today, check out his cars. GT3RS Gen 2, GT2RS, in an amazing Guards red. Honestly, looks amazing, I think. Probably one of the best spec. For me, it would be that or black, maybe yellow as well, but I think that looks amazing. So here's the garage, here is the pit lane, as you can see. Car is all stickered up, and there's some nice cars here, really nice cars, lots of Porsches and many other cars as well, a few Super Trofeo, Lamborghini cars and other things as well, but I'm obviously heading out in the 3RS, so I will show you. It is all set up, hopefully the GoPro is set up there and it won't fall down. As you can see, I've got my crash helmet, GoPro set up, ready to go, looking forward to it. Okay, let's switch to the GoPro and head out now. Okay, strapping myself in, getting comfy, hopefully you guys can hear me. So I've got the 6-point harness in here, which can take me a while to put in, but I'm going to put this one on first, because otherwise the seatbelt sign keeps going. Okay, put the bottom bits in, get that all strapped in. So I've been out already for a little bit, but I'm going to yeah, practice a few of the stuff that some of the instructor guys here have taught me by going to show in the right gears on certain places. We really need these harnesses on track. It makes such a difference. Let's get the car on. Where's the key? Key was on the back wing, so that would have flowed off. That would have been nice. Car on. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to leave the PDK in sport at the moment. I'm going to keep it in automatic because the PDK works really well on here. So let's go around for a few laps. So you have to go down the pit lane here, and you just got to show them that you've got your tags on. So he's going to check this for me. And that's it. Let's head out. So ease onto the track, first corner, all through the corner, warm up the brake, let it pass. It's actually Mandy going past. Right, still warming up the brakes. Little straight down. Woo. Hard braking into the corner. Amazing. Almost like a hairpin turn. So I'll go around him now. Use all the track. Then it drop down into fourth, then to third. Then tack the corner. Oh, this car is amazing. Then power out. Hard brake onto this one. It's got to go down to second gear, so this car's going to go down there, we go to second gear, otherwise you lose it a little bit. This one, don't hog it, take it out to the outside of the track, then bring it back to the inside, carry it down, 120, hard brake, round into the left corner, just clip the curb, power out. Third gear all the way around here, all the way around here. It's tempting to put your foot down. Hard braking, turn in. Keep it to the right and then use all the track on the left. let me show you a little bit around the garage about what's here. So first of all, GT3, Gen 2 of course. Everybody knows this car, Cavi's GT3RS, looking really good. Looks like he's killed a few bugs there like everyone else has. This I believe is the Marshall's car, so this is an E63S, I believe it is. I think so, yeah. Got Mandeep's GT3RS here, which I've shown you before, looking really good. Behind there is GT3RS Gen 2, and then over there is my GT3RS, which has really handled itself super well. And then of course there's another car in the garage here, which is a GT3 Gen 2 as well, which has been on track. So, going to take a quick lunch break, and then back out again, get all the GoPros set up properly, to go for a nice drive. Okay, let's go for lunch. Let me head out over onto the other side, just so you guys can see what's going on. So let me get out of here quickly, check out the pit lane. Here's another GT3RS looking really nice. Caterham car coming here as well. Got a Performante over there. Let me run across now so you guys can see what's going on. GT3 going past, Gen 2. Keep an eye out to see if there is anything else going, but yeah, cars are coming fast. There's a lot of cars here, like I said, about 90. Check this out, something else coming. Radical over here. While we're waiting, see all the cars that are here. It's mad. Here's another car coming. I think this is a Audi TT. Interesting. Now that sounds good. That GT3 sounds really good. 458 challenge car going out. And a few other bits. Let's see what else is going on out here. Here at Silverstone. There's a few cars coming around still. Oh, check this out. Here's a Performante pulling out. Looking forward to seeing that come out here. Nice Miami blue. GT3RS. Be good. I'll wait for all the cars to kind of cross over. Another GT3 going out as well, Gen 2. Let's carry on down the pit lane here. We have got GT2RS. Performante, my colour there. Belongs to actually Supercar one leg. GT2RS here. You've got McLaren 570S Spider. We've got an F-Type over here as well. Ollie Webb in there doing a little bit of work. McLaren 695 LT Spider, 2RS, 58 challenge car, a 488 challenge car. Yep, that is. Another, that's a 458 one. This looks pretty cool. There's a lot of the Lotus stuff here as well. You see the Lotus cars in there. And that, so pit lane's down there at the end. But I am going to jump back in the car, go out again, and I need to get into the 2RS as well. So join me for that.
Did it with no image. We living, no limits. Above your ceilings now they like you did it. Boy, I did it for my city. I did it, yeah. 3 lives, only 1 business. 1 school, 1 winning. Mix them up, what you got at Civics. Turned into Benzes, got a new one. They ain't finished yet, like whoa. Fuck them commas up, movement this. I did it with no image. We living, no limits. Above your
Can't get over it, the crazy cars that are here. I'm going to try and stay inside because it's quite a breeze, but there's been a, I think, red flag, so all been stopped. So I'll show you outside what it's like, just so you can understand how many cars there are here, what kind of cars there are, because everything's stopped now, so everything's off the track. Now check this out, all down there, all the way down to the end, all queuing up. And as I zoom out, look at this, the RS, Aerial Atom, and the best thing is like you can see here, this is an Audi TT. So it doesn't matter what cars you have, you can come out here, different prices, if you want to have a garage or you know, you want your own space and everything. Like here you got, look at Toyota GT86 as well. Yeah, good day. People should come out here. So this is Gold Track days. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to look more into it. Yeah, it's been a pretty good day so far. But yeah, it's been really good fun. Really good fun. I'm gonna enjoy this on the drive back because now I really know what the car can do, how you can manage it through the corners and everything. Amazing. Definitely gonna be doing more stuff of this. It'd be nice to do it in different countries as well. If there's any other tracks that you guys think I should do, let me know. Apologies if the video wasn't perfect, but I'm trying to work with the setup in there with what I've got. Maybe I need another GoPro. So I have all the numbers just so you can see here what they could give me. No rude thing intended, but of all the numbers they could have given me to use, I think that was a private inside joke that was giving me his allocation, but if I just take the 6 and move it around, I can get the 9. In the middle of all this havoc, I'm gonna sign off and say I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More track stuff is coming. I'm jumping into 2RS and doing a few other things, but just crazy. I mean, look at the cars. Look at the cars. Had an amazing day. Gonna go into 2RS now for a little bit. I'm gonna chill and enjoy the rest of the day, but guys, remember to like, subscribe, do all the other bits. If you can still hear me, like the video, subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye.
3 lives, only 1 business, 1 school, 1 winning. Mix them up, what you got at Civics turned into Benzes. Got a new one, they ain't finished yet. Like whoa, fuck them commas up, move my decimals, mathematics. Whoa, shit was way too boring, so I let it go. Let my professors know this shit just be set in stone. Ain't got time for no inconvenience. If you ain't about it, then you ain't about it, and there's nothing I can really do about it. Like got a little depth to my jeans now. Pockets thicker than a chocolate pudding, and my shawty can't fit in them jeans now. Like badass. Ooh.